Hey, it's Ryan with OptimizeRealEstateAgent.com bringing you this tutorial on how to get a Facebook, a new HTML iframe page on your Facebook wall. And in March, Facebook took away FBML, which was Facebook markup language, so that you used to could create pages within Facebook, and now they got rid of that. However, there is some new toys and plugins and things that are out there that you would find helpful to get a lot of this stuff done, and you actually have a larger breadth, I guess, if you will, a much wider capability of things to do. So this is my Facebook page, and as you've seen in some of the other videos of how we got to right here and putting these photos in, and this is supposed to be more visible, but sometimes it always just it reconfigures itself. Anyway, what we need to do is we need to download an app from Facebook, and I have it already, and you want to get it too. So you want to put in static HTML, and even if you just did static, you'd be getting it, you'd be there. So you want to get this one with the star around it, static HTML iframe tabs. And you got a couple of dudes here, young fellas, who downloaded or built this application, and it's getting a ton of work, and good for them. A lot of people putting positive stars for this thing. So what you got to do, you got to add to my page. So once you click add to my page, you find the page that you want to add it to. Now I have quite a few pages, so I'm going to add it to this one, which we'll work on in a little bit. So after that, we want to go to our page. So we have our page here, and we have the welcome. There it is right there. And this is where we can have some fun with it. And this is our content. You can use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, anything you'd like, and non-fans would see this first. So let's head over to the one I just did, which was OptimizeRealEstateAgents.com, and when you head over to my welcome page, is what I called it, you have you can view it as a fan and as a non-fan. So check it out. So when someone landed on my Ryan Covino Optimized Real Estate Agent page, it says click the like button to learn how you can do this, and usually right here there's a like button. So we have that as something we can do. And you can also put some other clever stuff. You could put a video of something saying, hey, welcome to OptimizeRealEstateAgent.com. I appreciate you taking the time to come by, and why don't you head on over to head on up and like this page, and I can show you how I just did it. I mean, I just have an arrow here for now, but that's a pretty decent idea. We could offer an ebook. We can offer access to a training course for a couple weeks. We could pretty much have the sky's the limit in order to get someone to like our page. And I think right now, I think this feature is what's good for us. And then after that, we can save and view as a fan now. And now if we're a fan, we can have Frank in there. And I would have a page, a video saying, hey, it's Ryan. It really means a lot to me that you're taking the time to like my page. If there's anything you need, please leave something on my wall. Leave a comment saying I'm interested in learning more about this, and I'll get back to you right away. So that is what you can do with the static HTML pages. And let's head right back over to show you one more thing here. For me, I've already changed it to this. So you would have to change the default landing tab in the manage permission section of the edit page to what you wanted. We need to put it on welcome. Once we do that, we want to hit save changes. We also want to head over to apps, because I forgot to tell you this, but you might not want it to be called welcome. You might want it to be called custom tab name. We can call sign up. And the beauty of it is that everything's in HTML. So you can take some take something you're working on in WordPress and do it in the visual editor, and then hit HTML, and everything converts for you how it's supposed to be, and copy and paste that and bring it out over to the static HTML iframe tab. So now we can create a welcome tab, we can create a tab saying sign up for a list, we can create a tab saying check out my MLS listings, we can create a tab for anything, and we can have lots of different pages for each section if you're not a fan, and if you are a fan. So if you have any questions, you can like my page and then leave it on my wall. You can email me, Ryan at optimizedrealestateagent.com. So I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll talk to you soon.